Hi, this is Barb with the Tech Teach Grow team with another tip of the week. Once you've created your Smore, if you would like to put it into a folder, you would just go to New Folder, make that title for yourself, and then press Create. And now you are in the Title 6 Newsletters folder that I just created. So I can go back to my newsletters, go to Options, Add to Folder, and find the folder that I need to add it to. Scrolling down through to find the right one. And now I can add it to that folder. Once you've created a folder, it'll be in your private folders off to the left. But let's say you want to share that with a colleague for collaboration. Now you would type in who you would want to share this with. Choose that person. Choose whether or not they are a viewer, editor, or admin. If you want them to collaborate, I would choose editor. And then press done. Now that folder is going to be in your shared folders down here. This is great for collaborating, or if you have like a team or a department newsletter. That way each person can have their own section and edit it when needed. And then just remember that in order for others to see that newsletter, it needs to be in the published mode. So right now I'm in the published mode. If I want to edit it, I would go to Edit Newsletter. When I'm done making all of my edits, I need to publish that newsletter for the collaborators to be able to see the changes. Otherwise, they will not see them. And then once you send your newsletter out, you will get to see how many people have viewed it. You can show analytics, and that will show you in what format they were looking at your newsletter and if they've clicked on any links that you put in there. So it's a great a piece of information to know who's seeing your newsletters and what they're doing with those newsletters.